Here's Hurricane Hilary in the Pacific off the west coast of Mexico. Winds are at 130. That's down a bit from earlier this morning. Still a Category 4 hurricane. Where the storm is right now, the water temperatures are in the 80s. Hurricanes like water temperatures that warm, but as we go a little bit farther north, notice this as we get up towards California, the water temperatures cool off significantly. So as the storm tracks to the north and it goes to the west side of the Baja California peninsula, it should weaken, but it may hit Southern California as a hurricane or a strong tropical storm. That hasn't happened in a long time. In addition to the wind, it's also going to bring some heavy rainfall to that area, possibly over 5 inches of rain. And out in the Atlantic, one system may move into the Gulf over the weekend, and we have a few stacked up in the Atlantic. We'll keep an eye on all of those because all those bear watching over the next 7 to 10 days.